It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video, we are going to learn step by step on how to create a realistic 3D images like this using free AI tool without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you love AI content with prompt, consider to subscribe to the channel for more AI content. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can create a 3D photorealistic images like this using free AI tools. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you come to the top right here, and what you need to do is to type in Bing and press enter. Then click on the first result right here, bing.com. This is going to pump out. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to come and click on join and create. Then click on sign in. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create with any email or Gmail or phone. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create one. So right here there are different options you can use to create a free account with Microsoft. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then right here enter your name. So after having entered your username, you come here, choose the option, is that Outlook or Hotmail. So I'm going to leave it on outlook.com. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So the email is already exist. So let me add 2024. Then Outlook, and click on next. So at this point here, we need to enter the login password. So you have to create your login password. So having entered your login password, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next, then click on got it. Then right here you have to enter your first name, your last name, then click on next. Then choose your country right here and choose your date of birth, then choose your year, then come down below right here, click on next. Then the security question right here, so just click on next. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand 1 of 5. Okay, then click on submit. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So we can use this one. Then we click on submit. So the same options. So this one here, this one here. Then we click on submit. Then we can use this one right here. Okay, submit. So the very last one, so we can use this one right here. Good, submit. So verification complete. So we can click on sign in to synchronize right here. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Then click on next. Welcome back, friends. So after you successfully create an account with Microsoft Bing, next thing we want to do is to make sure we come to this point here and press Ctrl V to paste our prompt. The prompt for this tutorial can also be found in the description of this video. Okay, so check them out. So after you have pasted your prompt or you type in your prompt right here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come here, click on create. So you can see the AI generated result right here. So what we want to do is to download all these images. So for us to download this image, we can just click on the image. Then we come here, we click on download. So you can see the download file has been prepared right here. So we can also click on here to check more results. Then we come down below here and click on download. Then we click on here to see more results. Then we click on download. So it's as simple as that. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI content like this. If you want the prompt of this particular tutorial, check the description of this video and get the prompt. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.